Happy New Year. Hello there. Just in time to bring in the new year with you. Thank you so much for joining me here on Blissful Spaces. This is where I garden, cook healthy meals, and other favorites. Excited to be here with you. What's that? Missed you too. Been on vacation. I had to pop in. That's right. To say Happy New Year to you. And I wanted to share some of the things that I'll be putting together for my family here as we celebrate. Who doesn't love crab legs? That's like one of my favorite things to prepare. So I have king crab legs, snow crab, fried crab, steamed crab, and shrimp and grits. You gotta have your shrimp and grits when you celebrate the new year. I'm so excited. I can't wait to get in the garden. Stay tuned because we are going to have lots of gardening videos coming up. As you know, the ground is frozen. I still have things in the garden, and I hope you do too. That is growing. Can't wait till the spring. I hope that your heart is warm too. As always, stay loving, be kind, and stay healthy. I will see you soon. I promise. Watch the video all the way to the end and don't forget to like. From my family to yours, I really missed you guys. Happy New Year. I will see you soon. The spring will be here before you know it. Don't forget to collect those seeds. What's that? I know. I love you too. Mwah. Miss you. See you soon. Watch that video. Watch all the way to the end. On the other side. Getting ready, getting ready.